What's good, guys? I decided that I was gonna try and go ahead and put a cup holder on my scooter. So I got this cute little cup holder that I want to put here. Will this work? I don't know, but I shall try. So I'm gonna drill holes to this plastic frame of my scooter. Let me show you a look into this cup holder. It's cute, it's simple. It comes out like this. Extenuator, it opens up wider depending on the type of drink you have. Maybe I'll also do a review at the same time as I am doing this, but I figured this would be a cute little thing to put on the scooter. As you guys know, I do like drive. I drive places and get food all the time. And I'm always using my thighs to hold my drink, or put it in the side backpack. But I was like, you know what? Why not? Why not get a cup holder? So I went ahead and got one. Where did I buy this from? Was it Amazon? Yeah, I think I bought this from Amazon. The link to this exact one, I think, will be in the description box below. Now, I want to show you guys something. It comes with 2 screws. Focus. 2 screws. Or it comes with these tapey strips. Now, with these tapey strips, I'm thinking like it shows on the picture, right? It shows on the picture of the cup holder attached to a wall. Now, I'd say if you're planning to attach this to your wall, you don't want to put holes in your wall, then yeah, use the sticky strips right here. However, I doubt that the sticky strips would hold going 45 miles an hour on a scooter, so I'm gonna use the nails. Okay, so I'm trying to decide where I want to plant this. What sucks about it, it gives me only 2 screws. It gives me 2 screws. However, you got like 6 holes right there. I do have screws in the house somewhere, but I don't feel like finding them or looking for them. So this is where I'm trying to put it, like right here. Let me put this in since I know there's no wires it's gonna hit, no cords. Let's put this back. That is the wrong way, Shauna. There we go. Put that the right way. There you go, girl. You can do it. And it's back. Okay. See, this is what I mean. This is not that sticky at all. Pointless. I don't even think that would work on a wall very well. Yeah, that is not going to stick. I'm going to stick that right there. Just stay. 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 We're going to get us a... what are we about to get? We're getting us a screw. This video might be longer than I expect it to be. That's supposed to be like a 2-3 minute video. That's the thing. If I were to just put the cup holder, install it, it would take me no time at all. However, when it comes to recording, it's a whole nother story. You gotta set angles and stuff like that. Stay in. I thought you was magnetic. You're not magnetic? I thought you were. Guess you're not. Maybe it's my other screwdriver. Okay, people, good news. If you apply enough force, no drill needed. Where'd the other screw go? Cool beans. So just make sure you guys apply enough force. Make sure this is, okay, this is 2 different kind of plastics. You gotta understand these are 2 different, I don't know how to explain it. This is a harder plastic. This plastic is not flexible as much as this is. You see I can bend this? There are 2 different types of plastic. So it's better to have this. This, if I were to try to do it in this would just crack. If you could understand me. If I were to try to drill a hole in this using force instead of just a regular drill, this would probably crack on me. This, however, it's a little more durable or flexible, and if I apply enough force, then let me show you. Then it will catch. See what I mean? And then voila! Let's just screw that all the way in, unscrew it, and then plant our cup holder. Is it me or this is tilted? I should have tilted it the other way. It's tilted. I might have to do another one. Okay, in less than 10 seconds flat, I undid it, straightened it, and redid it. So yeah, you see now it's more straight. Or straighter. I guarantee you, even though I make this video, I guarantee you, I will still get people saying, hey Shauna, what's that weird little box thing on your scooter right there? What is that? And I'll be like, oh, what, this thing? Watch in 3, 2, 1. Boom, baby. That's a cup holder right there. Just installed a cup holder. It took me actually 5 minutes because I was doing all this recording and stuff. No, it took more like 7 minutes. So I want you guys to see, I went and got 2 extra screws. They didn't come with it. Only these 2 came with it, but I want to have it just a little extra security. And now it's on there pretty good. It's not coming off. Yeah, so I don't have to worry about my drinks flying off all of a sudden or falling, because it's on there. That is not coming off. You know what's awesome about this? Okay, this is first things off. Awesome. It grows, it expands. Now you can't close it if you expand it like that, but it expands. So if you have a pretty wide drink, if you get yourself a large drink, say you go through the drive-thru, get yourself a large drink, you'll be able to fit it in there. And then it closed like that. You see this? That is what's awesome. And no, this is what's really awesome. This thing cost me, I think, $6, $7, $6, $7. And if you have a screwdriver, bam, but you got you a cup holder now. Let me put a drink in now. Hold on. Old drink from Luby's. Bam. Squeeze it. Whoop. There we go, baby. It's there. You drive around with you a drink. Hold on. Let me put, I like some water. Now, the water, see the water bottle? What? It shrinks for the water bottle, baby. Bam. Let's upgrade that. Let's upgrade that. Bam, baby. Bam. See that? Bigger size. Fits it just fine. So this thing is truly universal, truly, what do you call that? Adaptable, adjustable, everything you want it to be in between. Let's see how it does when I ride with it. Let's see how, we're gonna put a cup, like an actual cup. Got this old Luby's drink right here. Let's see how that rides. Will it fall or anything like that? Let's open it up. We gotta get that. I can't with one hand. It's hard for me to do it. Let me do it with 2 hands. Let me sit this down, because I'm struggling with the one hand. Okay. Wow. Close. Whoop. Let's take that up for a ride and see if that holds up. Uh-oh. It's looking sturdy, you guys. I don't see it bouncing around. Okay, let me whip it. Oh, let me whip it. Let me swash. Nope, it's still there. It's not moving. Uh-oh. It's not vibrating. It's not acting like it wants to jump. But yeah, it's looking sturdy right there. What that is? That's a cup holder, baby. Me likey. Okay, so the thing about this cup holder I'm noticing is, let me bring it down for you guys to see. Like, I like it, I really do. So I'm doing a bit of a review as well, if you haven't paid attention. But I like that this spot right here. So say if it is like you know, some restaurants or fast food places, they'll be giving you a drink and it be slightly overflowing. I like how it can catch it here, because it's easier to clean this up than right here, even though I don't really care about the floor. But I can't stand if I step on something and it's sticky. So if I did have a soda and it spilled, I like the fact that it will fall here and not so much on my footstool place. I do notice, like, that's my likes about it. I like this little area right here. I like that it can accommodate pretty much any size drink. I also like the fact that it was super easy to install. It took less than 7 minutes for me, because I was recording, and then Yeah, that's my likes. My gripes about it is don't be driving and miss, like, don't drink while driving. Play on words, don't drink. Duh, people don't drink while driving, but I mean don't drink drinks while driving, because you'll be driving, you take your sip and put it back. Don't miss the thing and you'll hit it down. So that's what I'm talking about. If you don't get it in, you accidentally hit it down. Oh, now you trying to, oh snap, I gotta lift it up while I'm driving. Oh, pull it back up so I can put my drink down. So when you put it in there, leave it in there until you get where you got to go, or you got enough time. Like you had a red light, you pick it up, drop it down. Oh, the light's still red. Okay, I got time to lift it back up and put it right. It's not coming out this way. Like I'm pulling it this way. It's not coming out that way. I think if I pulled it too hard, the cup would break. So that's good. I didn't notice any like shaking, like oh snap, while driving, like it's gonna fall over. Yeah, I'm digging it. And what I like about it even more, this thing comes in many different colors. I chose black. I should have chose gray, because this was supposed to be a black, but this is really black. But this is like a off black. So it doesn't 100% blend, but it's cool. I like how it puts away. It's not forced to stay out as a cup holder. This is also me doing a review, if you hadn't noticed. Did I say that already? I think I did. But I like that, and I like how it can be put away for when I'm not using drinks. And it's an easy uninstall. If I don't want it anymore, just unscrew it. It's simple as that. But yeah, I am digging it. I should have done this sooner. Yeah. Links are in the description if you guys want to check that out and see what that is about. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye. I am filming with one hand and driving with the other. Dangerous. Do not copy me, people.